Welcome back, everybody. My name is Bob Rafferty, and we are continuing with our ChatGPT tutorials. They're usually pretty quick and easy. We focus on one topic at a time. Today we're going to talk a little bit about image generation and what ChatGPT can do for us as far as creating images. So the last video we did was on social media content creation. So going along with that, let's actually go back. Let me see if I can find, was it this one? Yeah, content creation. So here, this last prompt that we have was we asked it to create a Facebook post and quotes about fun facts, to do with ChatGPT. It spit this out for us as far as a post that we could put on Facebook. Now we need an image that'll go along with that. So we're gonna go generate an image for Facebook. Actually, we'll just say generate an image to go along with this post. And let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. Now, I will say that it's not always great at generating images, especially if it puts in words. It looks like it got it here, though. Artificial intelligence. It looks like it's spelled correctly. It did put it in there twice. We don't really need it twice there, but this isn't bad. Let's tell it create another. Yeah, I've found that it misspells words quite often, so if the image has a lot of words in it, you'll find. So here's an example. Artificial intelligence is the new and it's supposed to say electricity, but it doesn't say that at all. It's trying to incorporate that quote, which was up somewhere up here. It was a quote about artificial intelligence, or yeah, about artificial intelligence. Um, I'm not sure where. Yeah, I'm not sure where it was, but it was somewhere up there. So let's tell it don't use any words, and let's see if it'll come back with an image without any words in it. There we go. So there's an image with no words. Let's ask it create another. So seems like it can't generate any more images right now. Please try again later. Let me know if you need. So the reason it can't is right here. You've reached your image creation limit. So so basically with the free version of ChatGPT, it'll only allow you to generate so many images per 3 hours or so. Although this is saying upgrade to ChatGPT Plus or try again tomorrow after 4:41. So I'm not sure, that's what, like 22 hours maybe. So it's created this nice image for us to use. So now what we can do is we can hit this button here to download that image. It downloads it, puts it up here in our download folder, and then we can take that and paste it into Facebook along with our post. And we've got a nice little Facebook post that we spent maybe a minute creating, and it looks very professional and looks nice on Facebook. That's about it for that. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comment section below. Any suggestions, put those in the comment section below. If there's anything, any video that you want to see me do a tutorial on, I'd love to get your ideas. Other than that, make sure that you like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.